Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to find hidden fillable text box for your fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my fillable PDF form and I'll find this hidden fillable text box. Now click on this form option and this select box, click on the download and select annotation. And see these two of this now showing, and if you select hand option and not showing, again click on this selection and select annotation and this two of this hidden. Now drag your mouse and select this hidden text boxes. Now press right button for your mouse cursor and select properties option, and properties dialog box, click on this general option and this form field option, click on the down arrow and make them visible, or you can make them visible but unprintable and select visible. Now select close, again click on this hand option and see this. Now all of these text boxes now visible, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.